Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for February. This is my normal bullet journal setup. My devotional journal setup will be coming out within the next week, I believe. So stay tuned to my channel for that. But this month's theme is a little bit different. Normally with February you think pinks and hearts and Valentine's Day themes, but I decided to go for a star constellation black theme. I really had fun with it. This month setting this up was just a little bit, I just didn't do good with it. I felt like I was in a creative slump and I really didn't like the setup at the beginning. The cover page didn't really go well and I don't know. It was weird to start, but at the end it got better. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will be popping on here and talking a little bit about what I'm doing throughout the video. So stay tuned till the end and we'll have fun. So I kind of made a map kind of shape with in a black outline, and to color in the black I used a Crayola super tip in black. Honestly, it looked more blue, and later I am going to be going in with a white gel pen. It's the Sakara of America Jelly Roll white gel pen, and that Jelly Roll pen did not go over the Crayola super tip very well. So later, just the cover page didn't look great because of that. The white was kind of faded. It looked more gray. But later, I did use a different black brush pen. I'm not quite sure what the brand is, but that one I was able to write over it with white a lot easier. So I don't recommend using a Crayola super tip for this if you are using a Jelly Roll white gel pen on top. It did not really go well, but with a couple layers it looked better, so you could, if you didn't mind the faded look. Now I am just adding some stars and things with my white gel pen on the black. Again, it's faded, but it doesn't look bad to me. On the other side of the page, I did a quote that says, "Shoot for the stars." Here I am using that different brush pen I was talking about to fill in the black, and the white shows up so much better. But I did a little bit of a drop shadow with some hatched lines. I think that's what you call it. And then I just went over the top of the box and wrote "shoot." And then with my Pigma Micron, I wrote "for the stars," and the word stars was a little tilted. I was so mad at myself. I thought about covering it over, but then I decided to make it a little bit unique, and I drew a shooting star. So it looked like the word stars was kind of shooting with the shooting star. I don't know if that makes sense, but that was what I was shooting for, and hopefully it looks okay. I was kind of discouraged with that one. Now I am just trying to find the measurements for my calendar. I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I kind of played around with a few different layouts. I decided with kind of a smaller one-page layout since last month I didn't really use the actual calendar much besides writing when birthdays were and stuff. So I did a smaller calendar this month, and then on the other side of the page I had my content planner. this setup, I decided to do something a little crazy, and I did not use a ruler. If you watched my first ever live video for my weekly setup in January, I tried that and it actually went pretty good. So I decided to go full on no ruler for this setup, and it didn't go bad. It was a little shaky. I'm going to need a little bit more practice, but it wasn't bad. I was actually kind of proud of myself for that. Again, I am using my Sakara of America Jelly Roll White Gel Pen to write the numbers of the days over the black. And then later, I'm going to go in with my Tombow Fudenosuke, I think that's how you say that, brush pen, and I'm going to write February at the top. The other side of the page, I have my content planner, and the title for this one it really sucks. I tried to do like a drop shadow type thing, and then that didn't go well, so I tried to fix it, and it didn't work. Later, you're going to see me go back over it with a black brush pen and then write on top of it with the white, and it looks a little bit better, but it was just messed up. I'm not proud of that at all. That title was just horrible. Now I have my habit tracker, and at first I thought I was going to do the mini calendars, but then I decided I was too lazy for that. So I decided to do a vertical layout. It's like my last month's habit tracker, but vertically. Again, I'm not using a ruler. If you guys want to use a ruler, you can. I just decided to have fun with it. So I just wrote the habits I wanted to track vertically, I guess. Yeah, vertically. And then horizontally. No, wait, vertically again. Vertically, I wrote the number of the days, and then every single day that I do that habit, I will put a dot underneath that specific habit on the day, if that makes sense. Next, I have my mood tracker, and it is shaped like a moon. And I divided the moon into 28 different sections in a bunch of weird shapes. And so for every day, depending on my mood, I will fill in the space with whatever particular color. And later I am putting a legend at the bottom so I know what color means what. And then at the end of the month, I will look back on my mood tracker and see how my mood was for the whole month. Sorry about when my head gets in the way. I still, again, am getting used to the setup for filming down on my journal, so I'm sorry when my head gets in the way or anything. Now I'm just picking the colors for the legend for what mood means what, and here you see my big circle of stationery, and I know it's a lot of stationery. I'm actually going to be posting a video in February of all of my stationery. It is going to be a really good video. I hope you guys will stay tuned to my channel so that you guys can watch it. Next, I have my water and sleep logs, and here I just track how much water I'm drinking and how much sleep I'm getting. So I set these up like line graphs. So every day I will put a dot on how many hours I get and how many cups of water I drank, and then the next day I'll do the same thing and I'll connect the dots. So it's really interesting to see where the spikes are and the dips, and it's a really fun way to track anything. I did squeeze these onto one page because I wanted to save a little bit of space, and I didn't feel like I needed a whole page for each. All of the supplies I am using in this video, stationery, my notebook, all of that fun stuff, will be linked down below, and I will also link my January plan with me. On the other side of the page, I have my brain dump. I actually use this a lot for random lists, random ideas, just journaling, just putting down on paper whatever I need to get out of my brain. And I do this I make this page all the time. I never go without it. So now I'm just flipping back through the setup and adding washi tape, fixing anything that needs to be fixed, just kind of a double check that I've got everything. Here I'm using Amanda Rachley's washi tapes. This is the dark monochrome set. I do think her shop is sold out of these right now, but I heard that she is going to be restocking sometime in February. So if you guys want to get these washi tapes that I'm using in this video, you might have to wait a couple of weeks. I will link her shop down below though. here is the final flip through, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this setup. I hope you enjoyed watching me make mistakes and attempt to fix them. Stay tuned to my channel for future videos. I have a lot of exciting things coming up, so please stay tuned, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.